Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so today we are going to do what's called tap it, map it, and graph it, okay? So I am going to say a word like did, and we're going to tap. Ready? We're going to do did. How many sounds did you hear? Id.
3.
3, good. And then we're going to map it. So then we're going to take counters and put 3 counters here to match the sounds, right? And then at the bottom, we're going to graph it. So what sounds did you hear for id?
D.
D. I, we heard
I.
good. And for the last one, we heard d.
D.
Good. So D-I-D would go here, okay? So here we go. Okay, so our first word we're going to do today is sat. Can you say sat?
Sat.
And we're going to count with our tapping, remember? Here we go. S-at, sat. How many sounds did you hear? S-at.
3.
3, good. So we're going to put for each sound on this paper. So go ahead and put a counter down here and put it for S. Good job. And then after that, what did we hear? We heard S, at, and t, s, at. Good. So there's 3. Now, out of these letters, what letter did you hear first? S. Good. And what letter is this?
S.
Good. And then we heard A. What letter is that? What letter is this?
A.
A. Good. And then at. What letter did we hear the last sound? T. What letter is that?
T.
T. Good job. So we heard s, at, sat. Good job. All right. Next one. Now we're just changing up the sound one at a time. So now let's say bat.
Bat.
Let's tap it. Ready? B-at, bat. Out of these sounds, what changed from s-at to b-at?
The S to a B.
The S to a B. Good. And then we're going to map it. So there we go. We changed it. And how many sounds did we hear when we tapped? Go ahead and put the counters on the mapping the word. B-at. Good. So then we heard B-at. B-A-T. Good job. Next, we're going to go from bat, B-at, to bad. Ready? Here we go. We're going to tap it. B-ad. Bad. Good. So how many sounds did we hear for this one?
3.
Add 3. Good. Go ahead and put the point. Yep. Go ahead and put them. Map it. Add. Good. Now take your letters and you're going to put on here the B. What letter is that?
B.
B. Good. A. We heard.
A.
And D. What sound is
D.
letter? Good job. D. Good job. All right, so there's bad. Now we're going to change it to d-ad. Ready? Here we go. D-ad. Dad. So we're going to change what?
The B to the D.
B to a D. Good. And how many sounds did we hear for d-ad?
3.
3. Good. So go ahead and put them back over here. So there's d. A. D. Good. And we'll put those in. All right. And from dad, we are going to change. From dad, we're going to do d-id. Ready? Here we go. Ready to count? D-id. How many sounds is that?
3.
3. So good. There's d-id. And then what sound do we hear first? D.
D.
D. Then we hear I. What letter is that?
I.
I. Good. And then we hear D.
D.
D again. So good. Did. We're going to go and say hid. Here we go. Ready to count? H. Id. How many sounds do we hear?
3.
3. So h. Id. Okay, good. What letter do we hear first in hid?
H.
H. Good. Then what do we hear?
I.
I. And then what do we hear? D.
D.
Good. Id. Good job. All right. Now we're going to say his. You ready? Here we go. Is. His. How many sounds did you hear?
3.
3. Good. So is his. Good. Now what letter did we hear first? H. Good. What about I? I. And Z.
S.
S. Good job. His. Good. Now we're going to go. Last one. Are you ready for this one? Here we go. Is. This. Ready? Here, let's tap it. Is. How many sounds did you hear?
3.
3. So for the first sound, it is. Good. Middle, we hear.
I.
Good. And the last sound we hear.
S.
Good. So here we go. And what letters make the?
TH.
TH. Good job. Next, we hear I, which is the letter.
I.
Good. And last, we hear the letter.
S.
Good job. Very nice job.